Before we begin, take a moment to settle into a position that feels comfortable for you. You've arrived here for a reason, and I want you to know that I'm glad you did. This space is yours, a quiet pause in the middle of everything else you've been carrying. Allow your shoulders to soften, even slightly. Let your breath fall into a natural rhythm without trying to change anything. You don't need to hold yourself together in this moment. You don't need to be strong or composed. Just be here, exactly as you are. If the day has felt heavy, or your mind has been busy, you're not alone in that. Many people feel this way, and it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean anything is wrong with you. It simply means you're human. And you deserve a moment to breathe. Let the mind know it can rest now. Let the body know it's safe to soften. You're supported here. Before we move any further, let's take a few slow breaths together. Not to control the mind, not to force calm, but simply to give your system a moment to reset. You don't have to breathe perfectly. Just follow along in a way that feels natural for you. We'll use a gentle rhythm, a soft inhale, a brief pause, and a long releasing exhale, and a moment of stillness. Let's begin. Inhale for 4. Hold. Exhale for 6. Pause. Again, inhale for 4. Hold. Exhale for 6. Pause. Again, one more cycle. Slow and soft. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Notice how the body feels after those slower breaths. You may already sense a little more space inside you, even if it's subtle. If your mind is still busy, that's completely okay. Thoughts don't disappear on command. They simply soften when we stop fighting them. So instead of pushing anything away, just let whatever it is be here. Imagine each thought loosening its grip. Imagine the tension you've been holding beginning to melt, one small layer at a time. You're not trying to fix anything. You're simply giving yourself permission to breathe again. If it feels comfortable, picture a soft breeze moving through your mind. Not rushing, not forcing, just gently clearing space inside you. See the thoughts that feel heavy, slowly dissolving. See the mind becoming lighter, clearer, more open. Let this inner space brighten, even if only a little. You're creating room for calm to return. Bring your attention to your forehead and soften. Soften the jaw. Soften the neck. Let the shoulders fall away from the ears. Feel the chest open gently. Feel the belly loosen. Feel the whole body exhale. You're doing enough. You're allowed to rest. You're allowed to reset. Let these words settle into you. You don't have to carry everything at once. You can soften here. Take a long, slow breath in. And a long breath out. Feel the mind clearer. Feel the body lighter. Feel yourself gently reset. Let this softness stay with you. Let it move with you into the rest of your day. When you're ready, begin to wiggle the fingers. Roll the shoulders. And slowly open the eyes. You've given your mind a gentle reset. And you can return to this space anytime you need to. Thank you for being here today.